Once again, I find myself at the train station. I haven't actually been into London since I did my dissertation, all the bits for that. But yeah, I'm going in to shoot an event today at like 3, but I'm going in earlier because I haven't been to London in a while.
With assurance by your action and your first child, I begin my first now. Sometimes I speak and I feel like it ain't my words, like I'm just a vessel channeling inside this universe. I feel my ancestors arrested inside of me. It's like they want me to shoot my chance and change society, but how do I go about it? Tell me where I start. My destiny rerouted when I chose to follow hard.
But anyway, now I've got to get all the way across London because I'm in Stratford. I need to get to Marylebone. To be honest, I probably don't ever need to film any more B-roll of the underground. I've got so much from my dissertation, it's like ridiculous. And also, another thing that's lucky is that I only needed to go on one line, which was the Jubilee. So there was no need to like change or get confused with stations. So that's pretty good. Now it's just a straight walk to Marylebone and then train home, and that's simple, and this is pretty much over now. Yeah, awesome, bye.
Still got the last names of our slave owners. In the land of the free is for the freeloaders. Leave us dead in the street to be their organ donors. They disorganized, my people made us all loners. Yeah, we can't change the world unless we change ourselves. Die from the sicknesses if we don't seek the help. All eyes be my witness when I speak was felt. Full house on my hands, the cards I was dealt. 3 Ks, 2 A's in America. I'm just a black